Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Aquadive's sports diving mask. This is how you will receive the package. I want to show it to you today. When you open it up, you will receive the mask and also some snorkeling instructions brochure. As far as the field of view goes on the mask, you get 180 degrees, which is awesome. And the lens is also anti-fog. The swim mask itself is very lightweight. It looks to be high quality. Let me give you a look at this in case you are looking at this product. So yes, appears to be high quality, well made, lightweight. Pretty much everything you might be looking for in a snorkel mask. The skirt is very flexible. They say it's made of soft food grade silicone, and it looks like it will do a great job of hugging your facial features and keeping the water out. So yeah, that is very soft and flexible silicone. And yes, this is me wearing it. Very comfortable, lightweight, makes a good seal. So I can't wait to get this into the water and try it out. If you are interested in this product, I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing and first look video.